Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. As a part of Dart's control flow statements, we are going to learn Dart's for loop in this tutorial. So let's get started. The for loop is an implementation of a definite loop. The for loop executes the code block for a specified number of times. It can be used to iterate over a fixed set of values, such as an array. So here we have a syntax for loop. For keyword inside that we have three statements: initialization, condition, and increment or decrement of value. If the condition is true, then we are incrementing the loop and going inside the block and executing the statements. And if the condition is false, then it's just coming out of the loop. So let's understand the flow diagram of for loop. So when we run our program, so it performs the initialization of the variable, then it checks the condition is true, so it go inside the body of the loop, then it perform the increment or decrement of the variable accordingly, then it come again to the condition, then checks if it's true, so then again it will go inside the body of the loop, then it will go to increment or decrement of the variable, then it's again come to the condition. So it will continue the loop until we are getting the false for the condition. So when we are getting false for the condition, then our program will be terminated. So let's understand it with the help of one example. Let's take a for loop and we are declaring one variable int I is equal to 1, and we have a condition I is less than or equal to 10. Then we have increment operator in the body of the loop, then we are printing here 2 into, then interpolation 2 into I is equal to dollar 2 into I. So let's save and run this program. So when we're running this program, you see we have the table of 2. So let's debug this program and try to analyze how this loop is working. So let's have a breakpoint here in this print statement. So now we will click here and run start debugging. Now we click on start debugging. So here all the run and debug information is coming. So let's click on this step over button. So when we click on this step over button, so it's coming here. So first of all it will go here and initialize the value of I to 1, then it's come to this condition, and we can check the result of this condition by simply going to evaluating debug console. So see, I is less than or equal to 10, yeah, it's true. So now it's going inside the loop. So here we have a print statement. So now we are clicking on this step over button again, so it's performing the printing operation. So see here we are getting 2 into 1 is equal to 2, then again it's coming to the increment and decrement operation here, so it's doing post increment of I. So when we are stepping over, so it increase the value to 2, then it's checking the condition, I is less than or equal to 10, yes, it's true. So then it will go inside the loop. Let's check, yeah, it's going inside the loop, then it's printing 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and then it's coming again to the increment or decrement. So now let's step over, so it's increased the value of I to 3. Now it's checking the condition, I is less than or equal to 10, yes, it's true. So now it's go inside the print statement, and then it will print 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now it's coming again to post increment of I. So this loop will be continue until we get the false. So let's do it manually. So we have 2 into 8, we have 2 into 9, now we have 2 into 10. So now it's coming again to post increment of I. So let's do it. So the value of I is now 11, So now it's checking I is 11, 11 is less than or equal to 10, so no, it's false. Let's check this out. Evaluate debug, so I is less than equal to 10, so it's getting false. So simply it will come out, so the control will come out of the loop. So let's check, see, it's come out of the loop. So the execution of the program is completed here and we have the specific output. So this is how we can debug and check how the control of our program is going and how it's working. So that's it, and I will upload the example of this tutorial to my GitHub repo. Please find the link of that repo in description of this video. Thanks for watching.